Alright, kitty cats, time to go outside. Say hey, little guys. Kitty, it's snowing. Sorry I kicked you out. Cold, chickens. I don't think y'all want to come outside today. Might let y'all out a little bit later, but you don't want to go out there right now. How about some grits, potato chips, and some old birdseed? How about you, Cluck Norris? What'd you do today, other than just eat all my food? The poor kitties. I'm gonna have to put those little babies back in the house soon, because the cats won't get in their stupid box with the heated mat, and they've got snow all over them and they're freezing. I know. I'll let you back in your house. Let's make sure the water's not frozen. Nope, not yet. But it will be tonight. We'll have to bring some warm water down in the morning. Cat's like, what is this white stuff falling? I don't like it. It's pretty though. It's been coming down for about 2 hours now. It's starting to stick finally. So hopefully we'll have enough to play in it a little bit. But it is some kind of crazy cold right now. Let's go see if Tess laid us an egg. Yeah, our egg of the day. Huh, still warm too. And there's, I think, the only buddy I've got left outside, that black dude right there. And he and the cats get along okay, believe it or not. Well, he took off. Yeah, I hope it'll just keep on coming down and just turn everything white. So here in South Carolina, we very rarely get any snow. So we're hoping that it'll stick good and give us enough to hopefully crank up the razor in a little bit, hook the tube up and go sledding. All right, I think we got enough to play in. Let's go, fellas. Man, it's coming down. We got a lot quick. Like blizzard. Up here. Oh my God. All right, I'll come pick y'all up at the bottom.
Okay, we're gonna have to find a...
But remember, we can't get to the hospital today. Yeah, this is not the one you want to go down. Maybe over here. All right, you take it, I'll come pick y'all up.
All right. Oh my God. No, someone's got to get like over there. We can't all be the same time. Whichever one you don't want. You can go all the way down. Oh my God.
I know what I feel. Oh. Holy crap, it's cold.
Yeah. It's freezing, dude.
Oh, man. Nice. Yeah, let's go find some grass. That didn't work too good. You all right?
Oh, I went real fast.
You okay? I hope so. When all else fails, go to Meemaw's house. They got a nice big hill right here. Plenty of grass. Let's see how this works out. I think after you pack it a couple of times, man, y'all have some good lanes. There he goes. Hit it, Jacob. Man, it's cold. We're not real experienced with snow around here, if you can tell. There you go, Trip. All right, we got the A team now. All right, Brett.
We're ready.
Uh-oh, we lost a youngin'. Where's your gloves at, dude? Your hands are gonna be freezing. He's like, I don't know where they're at.
You got hand warmers in
I don't know where they're at. Come on, Henry, let's see what you got, dude. Almost, man, almost. Yeah, I think you two on that board will do just fine. Yeah.
Okay, are you ready?
Oh, you crazy. You poor fella. You go over there, Brittany.
It's okay, he loves you. Okay, you ready for a boost? Drill it!
All right, Libby, you can fit right there in front. Come on, Lib.
Come on, Lib.
You got it.
Who's giving us a boost? Where'd they go? Oh, man.
I can't, I got the camera.
That's a big one.
All right, I'll try. All right, y'all ready?
Lean back.
Yeah.
Lean back.
We're trying. We're trying. Oh, there they go. Oh, they got in the pine straw. And we got a man down right here. We're man down. Snow in South Carolina, Martha.
Yeah, we're loving it. Loving it.
It's freezing! All right, I just had the whole entire family, and I mean like 30 people, 15 youngins, down at the house for chili. We're all full. Snow day 2026, January 31st. In the books, I'm going to get in the hot tub. All the animals are put up, and I am exhausted. I'll see you guys on the next video. Stay warm.